Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's DIY we will be doing a glitter plastic spoon wall decor and I hope you enjoy it. So today's items, we will need a foam board and not just exactly a foam board, but this is 18 inches, and then you will need the plastic spoons. And by the way, you get all these at the Dollar Tree. The plastic spoons, I buy the heavy duty, the 48 white ones. You will need the extra fine glitter, and this glitter is doing today is holographic. I got this at Amazon, by the way. You will need some beads for the finishing touch. You will need it's almost an 8-inch mirror, another one at the Dollar Tree, and some Mod Podge, glue sticks, glue gun, and so another thing also that I should mention before I start, this foam board, you can either leave it white or you can paint it. As you see, I just painted the outskirts because I'm going to put my mirror in the middle. So when you do that, you have to make sure that you measure it in advance, because it's like 5 inches all the way around. So I just wanted to mention that. So if you want to paint it, you can either do it two ways. You can either do the metallic way, the spray paint, or you could do the acrylic silver paint. And you could do the Mod Podge, whichever you prefer. I just chose to do the spray paint. It takes a couple of seconds and it's all done and it dries right away. So we'll get started. So I took the liberty, I'm going to show you how I did it, but I did take the liberty of doing them all in advance because it is time consuming. It's a large project, so it takes a lot of time. So I did those in advance, but I will show you how I did it. So you take the spoon, and basically what I usually do is if I can't cut them, I will use this here. There we go. All right. So we will need a little bit of Mod Podge. So basically what I do is I just hold it at the edge and I take a little bit of Mod Podge and I do my whole spoon, and I even do it on the outskirts, right at the tip and on the side. To me that's very important because you'll see most of the glitter, which is kind of nice. And you'll see what I mean. And then you dip it in your glitter. And here you go. And basically this is what you do. And I will do another one for you. This is actually a lot of fun, but it's just time consuming. So if you're not in any hurry and you want to have fun and a nice little project, this is the project to do. I enjoy doing this. And here you go. And you'll see just in the back, just on the side, basically. And here you go. So I took the liberty of spray painting this, and I made my circle where I want to put my mirror in the middle. So I'm going to glue this with a little bit of, oh, I forgot to also mention, you can either use E6000 or the hot gun, or you could do both. I do both. I just want to make sure that it's very secure. Put a little bit of E6000. It glues really well, plastic on foam board. So you don't have to worry about anything moving or getting undone. It works really well. Here we go. And then you glue it. Voila. So our next step is what I do right from the beginning is I put a little glitter with the Mod Podge. You're going to see why, just to give it a start. And I mix it all together. And then I just do right around the edge of the mirror. I find it gives it that little extra to glue your spoons. To me, it's just much better. And now that we're done, and then we can start gluing our spoons. So what we have to do is, when you start gluing this is very important. When you base it on, people will wonder, well, do I slant it? Do I put it forward? How is it going to all match? So what I usually do is, to start, is the little seat of the spoon. Basically, I just put that on, and as soon as you press on it, and you'll see exactly it's not moving. So that's exactly what you want to do. Just to sit your spoon, and you're all set, and it's going to come out even. So what you want to do is, when you start here, you want to do the whole round, but each beside each other. So I will do that, and then I will show you thereafter. So here we go. This is the final product. Almost the final product. I have to put my beads, and you'll see why. Isn't this beautiful? So you can actually use this as a mirror wall decor. You can use it for Christmas decorations. But it's absolutely stunning. You see that? Just beautiful. So I've used almost a pack of, as you've seen. It would be really nice if you guys can use larger sticks. Then you save a lot of time in that. As you've seen, I did about 7 rows, but at the end you fill in the holes in the back because you don't want to see your foam board. So after that, I will clean my mirror. And I have to tell you, it's a very messy project. So basically what you want to do is, once I finish this, I usually cover my mirror, and then I'm going to put some Mod Podge sealant on it. So the glitter stays and it doesn't fall all over the place. So you can actually use varnish, you can use Mod Podge sealant, any kind of that'd be great, and this way you don't have glitter all over the place. So my final touch will be the transparent beads. I don't know if you can see this, but it's not too big. And what I do is I put it just on top of the spoons here to hide the imperfections. So I'm going to go all around my spoons, and then we will be finished. And here's the final product. See that? Isn't that just beautiful? Very glittery. It makes such a beautiful decor. And then once you're done, I put a little cord in the back to hook it up, or you could use a hook, whichever you prefer. And then it's done. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next time on my next DIY. Thank you, everyone, and have a great day.